People seem to like yesterday's video of what I got up to on a Monday, as it was quite a busy one, so I'm going to do one every day this week so people can see how my general week looks like as well. So I'm going to do it that way. It's Tuesday today. I've got about 6 call-ins to do. I don't know if I'll make them all, but we'll give it a go. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Started off the day picking up the stuff from the suppliers for what I thought I needed and got off to the first job. First one was investigation of an extraction system. There were some watermarks appearing on the ceiling. So it's a case of going upstairs, seeing what was going on, and there was a gap in the ducting anyway, but it also wasn't extracting to anywhere. It's just tucked down the soffit, so I think water was pooling and trickling back. Just needed a plan for that basically and a revisit. Second appointment was loads of little odds and sods. It was replacing a pull cord and replacing a light fitting, investigating a shower because it wasn't warming up, and also their doorbell was playing up. So loads of little finish bits. I had everything on the van that I needed, so I managed to get it all done in about 35 minutes, something like that. The only thing I couldn't do was they had an Edwardian gold socket, which needed to find the part, and I'll get that replaced hopefully later this week. Next one was more bulb issues. I had an elderly customer who said that the lamps kept failing, and it turns out just everything they were replacing it with was crappy old halogen. Thankfully, I did have a stash of LED replacements, not those ones, it'd be the other ones, and we got them in, and everything worked no problem at all. Also had this problem with the ceiling fan where the bulbs kept flickering as well, so I suggested changing the lamp there to that cool white one at the front just to see if it made any difference. All the other ones kept flickering, but that one was fine, so again it was another lamp issue. So again, only at this one about 20 minutes, and I'm going to reissue them with 3 new lamps as well. Then it was straight on to the next one. This was a case of replacing 2 old fluorescent fittings with just 2 new LED strips. Nice and simple swap, all very quick, and it was much better. Very happy. That one was bang on the hour, and then it was on to my next one. Didn't get to film any of this one, but this was a bit more of a survey in the end for some extractor fans. Again, the ducting had been really long, previously done, so it's a case of needing to reroute them and just plan a better way of doing it. So I made some notes on that one, gave them a business card, and off we went. The last one for today was just finishing up the second part of a job we'd started previously. We'd already second fixed the room itself, but these socket cables came into the back of the socket in the room behind. Basically just had to second fix and continue the ring from this socket with the help of my furry friend here. Continued the ring in the socket and then basically just tested the other side to make sure it was all okay. This was a nice one because all the stuff in the room had been decorated already, so we actually just got to see it all come on and see it all in situ. Lovely looking room and nice to be able to see it at the end of the job too. Now it's just a case of making some notes on today's work and then I'll be off to pick up the kids. That's day 2 done. See you tomorrow.